हेलो एवरीवन, दिस इज रितेश फ्रॉम डांसिंग विद डेटा क्योंकि डेटा ही दाता है. सो आई एम रितेश, टू टाइम्स Tableau ambassador. I'm here for you, continuing the Tableau LOD series, and today we will take this very particular use case, that is new customer acquisition over there in front of you. And let's move on. Before we move on, let me tell you that I have launched my Power BI channel. So this is my new channel where I post my videos on Power BI. So if you have been following my Tableau videos and you are keen to learn a new technology, then I would recommend you to have a look over there and see what's there. Maybe it makes sense. The link will be there at my description. Coming back to the question, so today it's another interesting question, another interesting query over there. So if you see, this is our end goal. As you can see now, we want to see customer acquisition. That means that over the years, right, over the days, how different regions are performing it with respect to the customer acquisition. So what you see over there right now is the cumulative addition of new customers. Okay, remember, the new customers only, not the overall customers. So how do we achieve that? Because we need to have only new customers. For example, if you are at July, uh, August 22nd, 2012, that means on that very particular day, we got new 473 customers. And you can see that there was a bit flattening, right? That means that we need to investigate because in that very phase there was little flattening, means we did not get new customers. So that is a useful insight for sure. But then how do you create that? Okay, let's go and do it from the scratch. So this is our end goal where you can see different regions over there, and we can see a little flattening over there as well, for the region west. And I think for the region east we are doing quite good, right? It is moving on and on. So in order to analyze this with respect to the new customer acquisition, I think East is the region which is doing quite good, while West is the region where you can see the flattening curve over there, right? So what we are going to do, we are going to build it from the scratch. So first of all, on the left hand side, what you want to have customer ID. So you pull that to the rows and add all members and say, I want to have distinct count of customer ID. So that is fair enough. At the column shelves, we are talking about order date. So let's take order date over there. But now it should be like continuous, and we are interested to go down to the granularity of per day over there. So can we have something like this? Okay, that looks nice. But then we are talking about the cumulative addition. So maybe we are interested to count, to have a quick table calculation on the top of what we have as count, that is running total. Okay, but still, here you have all the customers like new and existing as well. So how to differentiate that, right? That's the interesting part. So for that, we'll have to make use of LOD function. So let's create a new LOD function with the help of fixed. And we say that, okay, I want to fix customer ID, and I want to get the first day when they purchase, right? So again, order date would be handy over there, right? And so we can say this as first order date of customer, right? Fair enough. Now the second thing is that we need to filter out the existing customers out of that. So we'll make use of the same calculation in another calculation. So we say that if, maybe we can make use of IIF, that if, that's it. And the test would be that whenever the first day order date of the customer is there, right, whether it is equal to the order date. Well, if yes, that then means that this is a new customer, right? Okay, so we will say this as new and say comma, and for this one it would be like existing, because definitely, right, if your order date is equal to the first date over there, I think we have an extra bracket over there. We'll just sort it out. So maybe we can say this as new or existing. So it will help us to filter out, right? Okay, that's great. So I can go and I put that to the filter, and here we go. So now we have only new customers over there, right? But what was the case? Use case was to analyze the different regions over there. So I'll go to the region, put that to the color, and here you go. That's it. So we can see that the region East, it's very good in retaining, in getting the new customers. And I think we need some improvement in the other regions over there, especially this one. If you see, it's flattening over there, right? Towards the end, if you see. So there are a few concerns over there, and hopefully the manager of the of the West region will take care of the same. I hope this was helpful and you are liking this series. Goodbye from Ritesh till we meet again with the next LOD question. Till then, keep on dancing with data क्योंकि data ही दाता है क्या तुमको सब कुछ आता है.